Centurion 26 Yankee, traffic 2 o'clock, 2 miles eastbound, altitude indicates 7,000.
Centurion 26 Yankee, looking for traffic, returning. Big Sky approach, Centurion 4726 Yankee, still no, we haven't seen the traffic.
Centurion 26 Yankee, traffic no factor.
Traffic no factor, thanks, Centurion 4726 Yankee.
Horizon Air 148, Big Sky approach. Roger, expect visual approach, runway 10 left, delete speed restriction. Centurion 26 Yankee, traffic 2 o'clock, 3 miles southbound, altitude indicates 6,800.
Centurion 4726 Yankee, looking for traffic. Shit.
Centurion 26 Yankee, traffic no factor.
Traffic no factor, thanks, Centurion 4726 Yankee.
Horizon Air 148, traffic 1 o'clock, 5 miles southeastbound, altitude indicates 4,400. Sky is 4702, Big Sky approach, roger, expect visual approach, runway 10 left. Centurion 26 Yankee traffic, 10 o'clock, 3 miles southwestbound, altitude unknown.
Centurion 26 Yankee looking for traffic.
Horizon Air 148 traffic, no factor.
Big Sky approach, Skylane 9er Hotel.
Skylane 9er Hotel, Big Sky approach.
9er Hotel, I'm inbound from Ontario, Oregon to Nampa at 4,500. Squawking VFR like radar following.
Skyline 39er Hotel, squawk 0312.
Niner 39er Hotel, 0312, level 4,500, Cessna 182.
Wind 090 at 7. Visibility 10. Sky clear.
Limburg 3696, Big Sky, departure, radar contact. Turn left, resume on navigation, direct roar.
Altimeter 29902.
Cessna 39er Hotel, radar contact.
Landing and departure.
27 miles west of Boise Airport.
Right.
Boise, altimeter 2990.
Eyes on initial contact.
2990, level 4,500. 39er Hotel.
Horizon Air 148, clear visual approach, runway 10 left.
Big Sky approach, Centurion 4726 Yankee. We'd like to come back in and land parking south side.
Centurion 4726 Yankee, make straight in, runway 10 right.
Straight in for 108, Centurion 4726 Yankee.
Horizon Air 148, contact Boise Tower 118.1. Cirrus 1 Alpha Hotel, contact Salt Lake Center 128.05.
128.05, Cirrus 1 Alpha Hotel, thanks.
Mooney 32 Juliet Charlie, Big Sky approach, Boise altimeter 29990. Lindbergh 3696, contact Salt Lake Center 118.05. Centurion 26 Yankee, contact Boise Tower 118.1.
Boise Tower 118.1, thanks for help, Centurion 4726 Yankee. Boise Tower, Centurion 4726 Yankees with you for a straight in for 10 right.
Centurion 4726 Yankee, Boise Tower, continue runway 10 right.
Continue for 10 right, Centurion 4726 Yankee.
Sky was 6326, contact departure, good day.
Departure, Sky 6326.
Horizon 148, turn left at Delta, then contact ground point 7. Vehicle will enter the runway from the departure end.
Left at Delta, ground point 7, Horizon 148.
Ops 19er, proceed on runway 10 left. The aircraft will exit midfield.
On the 10 left, off 19er.
Turn 26 Yankee, runway 10 right, cleared to land.
10 right, clear land, thanks, Centurion 4726 Yankee. Okay, gas, go to the right, undercarriage, doing our gumps, here coming down, locked,
Boise Tower, Ops 19er is off, 10 left, Mike holding short of 10 right.
Ops 19er, Boise Tower, roger, it'll be a couple of minutes, traffic on final for the right.
Ops 19er.
10 degrees of flaps. Extra rich. Like to run the cow flaps open in case we have to do a mist.
Boise Tower, this is Skyhawk 3781 Lima, inbound for left downwind for 10 left.
Skyhawk 3781 Lima, Boise Tower, continue runway 10 left.
Continue for 10 left, 3781 Lima.
Hello Tower, Skies 4702 is with you just for on the left downwind for 10 left also.
Skies 4702, Boise Tower, runway 10 left, clear to land.
10 left, clear to land, Skies 4702.
20 degrees of flaps. 30 degrees of flaps. Autopilot off. On.
Turn 26 Yankee, turn right at Foxtrot or Bravo 3, then ground point 7. Good day.
Okay, right at Foxtrot Bravo 3 and ground point 7. Thanks for up 26 Yankee.
Ops 19er, proceed on runway 10 right, traffic turning finals for the left.
On to 10 right, off 19er.
Boise ground, Centurion 4726 Yankee, clearing 10 right at Foxtrot, ready to taxi Ponderosa.
Centurion 4726 Yankee, Boise ground, taxi to parking via Foxtrot. See ya.
Taxi and parking via Foxtrot. Thanks for help 26 Yankee.